Hello and Namaskar. This is Banke Bihari Lal, a yoga practitioner and yoga teacher for more than 2 decades. Also, I am a certified yoga instructor from Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Today, I will explain what Yog Nidra is. Yog Nidra is yogic sleep or non-sleep deep relaxation wherein a person gets complete relaxation, that is physical, mental and sentimental relaxation. There is a difference between normal sleep and Yog Nidra. In normal sleeps, our physical and mental activities are reduced to negligible. So after sleeping, we get mental and physical relaxation. However, this is not the case always. Many times we wake up feeling tensed, stressed, and even agitated. This suggests that although our physical body with our motor senses, hands, feet, etc., were at rest, still our mind and our intellect were active and not at rest. Due to rushing urban life filled with lot of competition, and this situation coupled with extensive use of gadgets and mobile phone, individuals are living a stressed life all the time. This is the reason that normal sleep doesn't give the complete relaxation many a times. Now, in contrast, Yog Nidra is a methodical yogic process wherein complete relaxation is achieved. Methodical yogic process where physical, mental and sentimental relaxation is achieved. So over here most of the activities are calmed down and person gets complete relaxation. Now the word yoga suggests integration or union. So Yog Nidra is union of physical, mental and sentimental relaxation, that is complete and deep relaxation. Now there are a lot of benefits of Yog Nidra. Due to physical relaxation, there is a reduction in tardiness, body ache, headache, migraine and nausea. Due to mental and sentimental relaxation, a person gets reduction in anxiety, stress and even irritability. Also, sleep quality gets better, insomnia is eradicated and mind is peaceful and mind is at concentration level. Now due to complete relaxation, a person has better blood circulation in his body. This leads to complete health betterment, complete health well-being. Also reduction in despair, development of imagination, increase in compassion, increase in witness consciousness and persistent flow of positive thoughts are the benefits felt due to complete relaxation. So there are a lot of benefits of Yog Nidra. Presently on this YouTube channel, Yog Nidra practice sessions for different practitioners in many languages, English, Hindi, etc. will be released. Also practice sessions for visually impaired persons will be released. Later on, complete yoga practice sessions complete yoga practice sessions for society and mankind will be released. The link for practicing Yog Nidra has been given in the description box. Thank you. Namaskar.